Sorry I'm late. This video is an unboxing video for my birthday, okay? And yes, my birthday gone already from February 26th, but don't judge me. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you like this video. Random unboxing all my gifts together, okay? Let's get right into it, right? So yeah, obviously, that is me, King Omario Thee Chef, your boy. First gift. Don't worry about the packaging. It's a nice gift. Yeah, from the tourist coast of Miami. I think that's where this one came from. And then I got this one from my roommate. Nice like a cap. Yeah, I was trying to fit it as best as I could. Obviously my head big, but it fit into the collection. Me like it. Right? It nice. Alright, next up we have this one. So this one come from, oh yeah, my bestie. This one come from Billy Joe, right? And this one is a nice little pullover. And let me get the size right, you know. And it's a nice little large, regular size. You know, for a regular youth. Nice. We love that one there. This one is a bottle of wine from Ateren. Thank you so much, Ren, for this bottle of wine. Fits right into my collection as well. This one come from Sarah. Now for this one is after I pull out the thing, I realized what was written on it. Now she write, "Happy birthday, master," because I do little driving lessons and stuff for her. Come on, Sarah, behave yourself. But inside is beautiful gifts. This wallet case, it's like a card case. I love that, and I also love the chocolate egg thingy. That was nice. Me, I sat right there literally and finished all of that chocolate while I was unboxing. This Tennessee whiskey, Tennessee honey, yeah, 35%. Got this one from Loose, and those 2 packs of Filipino chips. Me like those. This one, the blue and white bag itself is a gift because the bag is durable. And then Lola, Mama Denise, gave me a nice little lunch bag. Of course, I bring a lot of stuff to work in my lunch kit, so this one will not be for work, but I'll use this one for my tools and my important stuff that I have at home. Understand? She gave me a card, happy birthday. Understand? Nice little, well, those cards. I don't even want to explain those cards, okay? But yeah, happy birthday with sprinkles on top. Love that card. Those 2 are scratch off burgers. Listen, I died when I saw those cards because I have to scratch them to see if I win. And I scratched them and I won $2. Okay, which I need to claim. So thank you so much, Mama Denise, for that. Love it. Alright, next gift we have this from Izzy. Yes, girl, me love these. Like, you know me so well. Chocolates. Okay, this one is a Sour Patch, but okay, it's a gift. I accept. Put them together with chocolate, I don't know. But the chocolate, beautiful. And those gummy bears as well, nice. Up next, a package that I bought for myself. Of course, I'm not going to end my birthday without buying a few things for myself. So I bought me a nice little phone case for my phone, my cell phone, right? I bought this, I bought this to be a steering wheel cover. I've never seen a steering wheel cover so shriveled down. It works because I have it right now, and it's working. It's doing its thing. Okay. Then up next, of course, so to celebrate my 31st birthday, I bought myself 22 rings. Don't ask me the significance behind it. I just bought myself 22 rings. Stainless steel, some gold fill, some all silver. Yeah. 22 rings, all in that. Beautiful stuff. Me excited bad because I get to wear a different ring every day. Yes, I love that for myself. Up next, I have, right, so this is a single ring. The other set is a set of 20. Okay, I bought this one as a single, right, to match with my gold sets. And I bought that one as a single as well. It's almost like a wedding band with some diamonds in it. It's really cute. It's really good. It's giving rich man. It's giving rich 31. Rich daddy at 31. Yeah, I like it. This one is some strips for my air condition. But just to give it a little color to go with the steering wheel cover in the car. blue. I don't know, I got me something blue for my birthday. I had to. And I also got me a silver chain to finish off my silver chain set. I was a bit confused why those two are together, because I thought they were separate. But okay, it's fine. It's giving silver. It's giving little vibe with with my other silver rings, and I have a gold set. The whole aim is to have a gold set and a silver set. It's accomplished. I was out of it at this point. Okay, moving on to the next gift. Yeah, got me something else from Amazon. So the other set I got was from Temu. This one is from Amazon. So I got my first Nautica perfume right there. I got myself some, coolant for the face after you do a little line-up and thing. Yeah, keep your face cool, bump resistant kind of stuff. Manscaping kind of thing. I understand. Yeah. Second perfume, you understand? I have this a red polo. I think it's a Ralph Lauren kind of thing. I don't know. Because I don't do brands. I just buy nice things when I can. But yeah, it's not that strong. And it's not that, smooth. Those two. The first one, Nautica, love that. This one is a Vault. I've never wear this before, but this is very masculine. It's giving very rough. But it still work on my rough days. Okay? If you know me, you know me. And then the last, I forgot, like when I was purchasing this one, I needed this. Like I was invested in this because I know what it is now. But while I was pulling it, I was like curious as to what this was because the box so pretty. You understand? I was like, But let's see. Then there we go. So this one, I needed this because a guy is going up in age, and I need to preserve my, my youth. So this is a little ear, it's an ear gun, it's an ear spray. You understand? So I just drop a little coloring, whatever coloring, you use it to paint, you use it to spray. I'm using it to get back my hairline. That's what I'm using it for. So when you all see me nice and tinted up, and this is the tint for it. So when you see me nice and tinted up and look like I'm perfectly lined, that's what I did. Okay, because I'm going up in age. Of course, hair lines and bald spots and things are coming. And these days, you have things to preserve that. This is my last gift. Okay? And like, I was waiting for this like for weeks. Like I literally got this 2 days ago, like 3 weeks after my birthday. But I think it was worth the wait. I was so surprised because I was not expecting that these are going to be 3 draws. But anyways, accept. You know why? Because it came from a special person, special friend that I actually met last year. We're still friends. But it's weird though because you buy me 3 briefs. Like you bought me 3 boxes. Like I wasn't expecting you to buy me 3 boxes, honestly. But you got the colors right, and I appreciate that. The colors right. And you got the fit right. I don't know how you got the fit right, but it's right. But thank you so much, guys, for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Okay, bye.